In this Threads Embroidery Software tutorial, we're going to show you how to digitize this letter G here, this basic simple logo. I'm going to start off by digitizing this fill part, this lighter blue. Then what I'm going to do is this white G part and then this darker blue outline. So I'm going to press F11 to bring up full screen and press the right mouse to bring the image up to the screen. I'm going to right mouse click, go to normal, and I'm going to start off by putting a lockdown stitch, which is a little star. I'm going to press the I on my keyboard to invert the colors, and then I'm going to go around here with an underlay. And our underlay is just used to flatten our garment down to the backing and making it a nice flat foundation for our embroidery. This doesn't have to be perfect because the threads are going to go on top of it, just as long as it's inside the blue part. So this will, when it's embroidering this will make a nice flat area for this fill stitch here. And I'm going right over the white part of the G because we're going to embroider that with a different color. So I'm going to do a right mouse click and I'm going to go to fill and then fill. And I'm just going to start right down here, right down the middle of this blue line. And I'm just doing left mouse clicks. I can also do arc fill by pressing the right mouse button, or excuse me, pressing the number 3 on my keyboard, which goes between a regular fill, arc fill, new fills, fill hole. That's just all pressing the number 3 on the keyboard. See, I press 3 again. Every time I press 3, you can see it's changing the fill types. Alright, I don't want to arc anymore, so I'm going to press 3 to go back to normal fill, which is that one. Alright. There we go. Now I finished that outside piece. I'm going to press escape, left mouse to zoom, press B to turn off the background, and that's what we got so far. So I'm going to press F11. I'm going to save this file, save as, I'm just going to call it G logo. Save. I'm going to do the height, let's do the height about 35 and show the stitches. And that's what we got so far. Turn B for the background, S for stitches. You can also click this button down here. It goes between wire mode and stitch mode. So our next step is going to be to digitize this white piece here.